Hello lovely folks, this video is the official release of the Viking Age Sewing Techniques PDF. You can find the link to download it in the description for this video, and it should be a lot easier now I'm not trying to do this via a short. Now, when you first start out with Viking Age sewing, it can seem utterly overwhelming. So my aim with this PDF is to give you simple, clear advice on which stitches were available in the period, how to do the different kinds of seams and hems, so that you can make pretty much anything. In this PDF you'll find all of the stitches and seam treatments that we've covered together so far, along with details of the finds that they are based on, so the evidence that we have for those stitches in the Viking Age, and each section again has a link back to the relevant video so you can quickly go and find it if you need to check anything out via the practical demonstrations. If you've got any questions about anything that's covered in there, the quickest way to get an answer is to nip over to the video and pop a comment on there, because even when I'm not releasing videos every week, I'm still coming back to check for comments and questions that people have. Or, as always, you can come over and find me on Facebook. Each one of these videos has its own thread on my page and you can ask any questions there as well. Or you can email me, my email address is in the channel description. At the end of the PDF, as always, you'll find my references section. This contains books, PDFs and websites that have been really useful to me in putting this information together, and I highly encourage you to go and have a look at some of those, because each of them have got their own extensive references section as well, which is an excellent springboard into the more rabbit holey areas of research that you may want to go and find. There is so much there, so please do make use of it. Please feel free to share this document. Any way you think it's going to be useful is there to be made use of. Now, if you feel like my work's been particularly helpful to you and you'd like to make a contribution to help me keep making these videos and PDFs and get better at it and get a new ring light that doesn't fall down halfway through recording every single video, that would be wonderful. You may want to contribute a roll of thread, some caffeine, or a little bit towards one of these amazing reference books. Oh, the reference books that help me keep making these videos a little bit better every time. It would be really appreciated. It's never necessary, but absolutely always very gratefully received. Now, the next video is in the works. That will be out soon. Until then, look after yourselves, have a wonderful day, and very happy sewing. Bye. Sewing and stitching, blah, just blah. All the words in a word soup. What's our word soup? Oh, the reference books, they are so lovely. Check it out. Below's the precious.